What's up, guys? Today I'm showing you guys about my install on my AEM water meth injection. This is a switch that I built. And this is the fluid indicator, and this is my Guardian Angel LED lights. Let's see. Let me turn on my ignition. It's not on yet, but it's on. The pump's running. I could turn it off or turn it on. Okay. So here's my harness that I ran basically through this firewall down here. I'll give you guys a link for the picture that I did. So basically I just ran that across. I looped it under right there. Power, ground, and this is the middle wire that I tap for the sensor. And this is the trigger. I haven't hooked it up to Guardian Angel, as you can see. Let's see. Down here is the daemon, and here's the nozzle right there. I'm not sure if you can see it. Let's see. Anyways, I basically ran through that with that harness. Through this firewall. Inside this. Basically ran it through here. I'll post some picture later. Basically do this under the back passenger seat. It's clean now, so you can't see it. So the objective to this was not to drill into the chassis, and we did accomplish that. So I basically hooked up my controller over here next to the meth reservoir, and my pump is right here. Basically you just take this off just like that. Yeah, we put it back on. Let's see, just like this. Yeah, voila. And you know, of course, trunk space. Still have my spare. Yep. Stay tuned.